Hello students. Student, once again I with you. So students, today we are going to discuss your politics lesson second, and name of your lesson is the Constituent Assembly. About this lesson, two video already we have discussed. It is the third video of this lesson, students. So under this video we will discuss first what is Constituent Assembly, creation of Drafting Committee, what is the philosophy of Constitution, and main object of Indian Constitution. First, what is the Constituent Assembly? So students, Constituent Assembly was a group of representatives which has established or creating our constitution or managing our country, all of everything. Under that time, where position was very critical to our country. So students, and this committee has established under a very special plan. That plan was called as a Cabinet Mission Plan in 1946. And this was Cabinet Mission Plan, a committee. It has sent by the British to maintain power in our country. That means transfer power to our country from Britishers to our all Indian leadership. And under this committee there was 3 persons, and they tried to decide which types of system should be established in our country to maintain constitution and law and order to India. So students, a group of representatives which has established especially some committee to do, to follow and to circulate a specific work. So students, this Constituent Assembly, under this Constituent Assembly you can say other sentence there were 389 members total which was present in our country, and especially under this country we should try to understand students 292 were representative of the states and other 93 representative of the princely state students, and 4 was also related to the commissary, like you can say Delhi, Ajmer and Troops and the British Balochistan students. This was the member under this Constituent Assembly students, and Constituent Assembly try to manage everything your Indian system that time when position was like this. We try to understand about creation of Drafting Committee. Your Constituent Assembly create a very special committee which name was the Drafting Committee, and the chairman which has been decided to the Drafting Committee, that was Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the chairman of this committee, and this committee draft the constitution from which types of constitution, what to be present under our constitution, what has been important in our constitution, that everything that committee try to manage. That committee was Drafting Committee. So students, now we try to understand another point. What is the philosophy of our constitution? So student, in here, what is the philosophy of our constitution? That means in here we will try to understand what is the main thing, and what is the object, and what is the system has been understand, what has been present in our constitution. So students, our philosophy says that politics and liberty, justice, authority, power, and which types of government, right, foundation, that everything has been decided in our as a special base, which you can say your preamble. So student, it is the main base of your constitution. Our constitution main base try to say which types of justice system should be established, which types of government should be established, what should be federalism system of our country, what should be power sharing of our country, what is the means of fundamental right of how many fundamental rights, that everything is come under your systematic system of your constitution. In other sentence, it is the philosophy, theory and main object, main thing also of this constitution. In other last point, what is the main object Indian constitution? That we have already discussed, students, in philosophy. And main object, main point under your constitution, main thing equality, fundamental right, federalism, and your power separation of power. That is the main object, main thing which has been present under our Indian constitution. So students, about Constituent Assembly, we have already understand 2 video. It is the 3rd video of this lesson, students. We try to understand. You try to listen this video deeply, carefully, and study some other PDF and books also, students. So thank you very much, students. And next we will discuss other lessons, students. Thanks to all.